My friends, I'm making a one-pot easy chili dog chili. Friends, I'm using ground turkey, diced onions, peppers, seasoned to taste, chili powder, chili beans, stewed tomatoes, a little chicken bouillon, and let this cook down and simmer. And you'll have a simple, easy, weeknight hot dog chili. Just let your chili simmer. Just let it simmer down. Your sauce will thicken, and you can add this over rice or eat it as is. But it's a simple chili dog chili. It made with my chili recipe. Plus, I cut up some smoky hot dogs in here. You can use any type of hot dogs or hot sausage that you like. And again, friends, this is how I make my chili dog chili. Quick, easy, budget friendly. Okay, friends, if you like more videos like this, subscribe to my channel at Ms Donzella Cooks. I'd love for you to join me in my kitchen. And friends, have a blessed day.